So here's the app called MagicLiker. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I just created an account by logging in with my Instagram account via Facebook. And the whole idea of the app is, I don't know, so there are these pictures and I need to like them. I don't know where are these pictures taken from. Okay, let's like, and then it wants me to open Instagram and like it in Instagram, I guess. And then, okay, so then it imports basically my Instagram feed. It sees how many likes I have. And then if I want to like something, I basically, it's just another kind of like interface for Instagram where I can just skip it. Yeah, okay, and then, okay, I just open it up and then I just want to like it. And then it just redirects me to some interesting Instagram post. So that's interesting idea. And then you just, yeah, like it here back in the app. I don't know what the point of the app. Maybe you can collect more likes and stuff like that, but maybe you can just discover some more content if you don't trust the, Instagram recommendation algorithm. Or maybe it's just like, a better interface. So I'm just going through the app and it feels kind of different than scrolling up and down in Instagram. So it's just like a new experience, especially if you like images, if you like visuals, and you just, just browsing around through this. Yeah, and it's like just feels nice. So, yep, that's the idea. Hope it is helpful.